Bitcoin saw a rejection to the downside exactly as we were looking for yesterday, bouncing from the $113,500 resistance. Let's mark this as red for a resistance. And now traders are seeing another buy opportunity show up. Price versus while money flow is low. We've got a green volume bubble at this level of $107,000. And as long as whale money continues moving into the market, we can expect moves back up, potentially back to $113,500. Now, there is one structural resistance I'm going to talk to you about right here at $111,685. That, if we reject from here, could spell a little bit of bad news for Bitcoin, creating a strong bearish pattern. No matter what happens, we're going to be talking about what we need to look for next and how to prepare, regardless of whether the move happens upwards or downwards. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 312 wins with 0 losses in our membership trades over the last 32 months. Yesterday, Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, answered the question to sell or not to sell. This cycle is done if this happens. We're going to highlight a chart that signals when Bitcoin bear markets start, the bearish signals on XLM to watch closely, how to use the volume bubbles indicator for crash scenarios, a look into the new market exposure calculator, why gold and silver are dropping, and why it's bullish for altcoins, and an ETF Travis is buying, which has outperformed silver by 2 times. This is going to be a very important future forecast video, so if you haven't seen it yet, sign up for our membership at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month, and you're going to get huge discounts on these indicators as well. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Let's talk about prices. We just bounced from structure support at $107,000 just 2 candles ago. This happened last night. The last candle within the last 4 hours showed a small volume bubble. This means there was significant whale buying activity. Maybe not significant, but notable whale activity, enough to trigger this green bubble. And at the same time, we saw whale money slowly trickling into the market, potentially reversing back to the upside. Price versus while money flow shows the direction of whale money flow. So as long as this is increasing, this is bullish. The volume bubbles tell you how much volume whales are actually buying in. Trades in favor is neutral to bearish with a 67% chance of a drop on the 4-hour time frame. This is where things are looking a little riskier because it means that we don't have a ton of upwards momentum left before we should be seeing a rejection to the downside, which happens consistently as we touch into the short trade zone. Now, a buyer strong buy at this level would create a bullish trifecta with 3 of 4 signals posting bullish, and that's where it is absolutely possible we're going to see a move up to anywhere between $111,685 to $113,500. This is the 4-hour time frame, though. Let's check the daily. We are looking much more bullish here. While we haven't received a volume bubble, actually, let me adjust this down to the daily time frame. We're going to go from 1.3 to 1.0. Yeah, okay, yeah, still no buy volume yet. But if we see even a small green bubble show up with price versus while money flow low and trades in favor low, on the daily it's neutral to bullish, looking for a move up. This would create the bullish trifecta again, and if we can get both that and a buyer strong buy signal, this would create a bullish quad-fecta. And most often, guys, it's rare, but this will send the price absolutely flying. Based on this entry strategy, we're heading back to the 4-hour time frame and increasing this to 1.3. Based on this, we can tell that there is a potential entry opportunity here. And from the current price, this entry opportunity could give us between 3 and nearly 5% profit. So for day traders, this could be really good, but we need to be careful. This right here is called a head and shoulders pattern. When you see a move up to create the shoulder, drop back down and move up higher, This is the head and the right shoulder here. If we top out right at that $111,685 level and move back down, most often this is going to result in a reversal and drop to the downside. That is where we need to be careful, and that is where risk management comes in. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I am not giving you financial advice, and I'm not telling you whether or not you should enter this market. What I will tell you is if you enter, risk management is crucial. And the way we do that here at Trade Confident is using the TC Top and Bottom Finder. We're going to click Show Take Profit, Show Market Order, Show Buy Limit 1, and Show Buy Limit 2, and we're going to keep it at a 4% profit. What you're going to notice here is a series of lines to the right side of the chart. These are going to cover you, even if this was the actual top of the bull market and it's all downhill from here. Now, that's not what we believe the case is, but we want to have them there just in case. When looking to enter a trade, we split our investment into 3 equal parts, with the first part going to a market order, second part going to buy limit 1, and a third part going to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set, we then set our take profit. If the price increases above the take profit, easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple your original investment, with each buy limit hit dropping your break even, bringing you into profit faster. More money in the market, in profit faster, serves to massively increase your profit potential. So you make money right off the bat, or you make even more money later. The entry, exit, and risk management strategy that I just showed you is how our traders have earned 312 wins in a row. It's how this trader earned $7,000 in their first scalp, $15,700 in just a week, and how this trader met their goal of becoming debt-free. On top of money-making benefits, like the future forecast episodes and trade setups, our members get massive discounts on the indicators. Let me show you. If you haven't signed up for our membership yet, links are in the description down below. It's going to be the very first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That comes out to less than $50 to get started. As a member, you're saving $150 off from the Pro Pack, $300 off from the TC Top and Bottom Finder, and another $150 off from the Volume Bubbles. But there are much larger discounts to be had. Here's how to maximize it. Use that membership discount on the Pro Indicator Pack. This is going to give you $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder instead of just the $300. You're up to $550 worth of savings. From there, now that you've purchased either the TC Top and Bottom Finder or the Pro Pack, ideally both, you're going to want to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and you're going to get a massive 60% off coupon from the Volume Bubbles indicator. That is how you are saving the maximum amount of money here at Trade Confident and getting access to many money-making benefits. With that, thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that future forecast posted yesterday. Don't miss out.